Okay guys, it's Bake Off time. Not sure I can do as good as you guys have, but hey, let's see what's in the cupboards and let's make a cake. Okay guys, so we're going to do this to a recipe my mother taught me, and then I'm just going to throw in some extra bits as we go. So we're going to start with 4 ounces of flour. If you're not sure what that is in grams, just Google it. I'm sure you can figure it out. After that, we need to add 4 ounces of margarine or whatever buttery baking stuff this is. This is Aldi's finest Stork replica. So in that goes. Next we have 4 ounces of sugar, because what's cake without sugar? Next up we need a couple of eggs. It's a pretty simple recipe. Just remember it like football. It's 4-4-4-2. So 4 ounces of flour, 4 ounces of margarine, 4 ounces of sugar, 2 eggs. Now, as it's plain flour, I'm going to need some baking powder, and if I remember correctly, it's about 2 teaspoons. I might be wrong, and it might go wrong, but let's see. Now, I usually put some vanilla in to flavour it, but today I found some maple syrup, so I don't know if this will work. So I am just going to put a huge slug of maple syrup in here, and it may go wrong or it may go right. We shall see. And then the final step, guys, we mix it all together, and hopefully we get some sort of cake mixture. All we need to do now, guys, is get it in a cake tray, and then we will be ready to put it in the oven. Okay guys, that's the oven on cake mode, which I believe makes it make good cakes, if my recipe wasn't rubbish, which I made up. So let's put it in and let's see what happens. Right guys, let's see if this has worked. Well, certainly seems spongy enough and cooked, so I'm going to go with that and think about the topping next. Okay guys, we're going to attempt to make a caramel sauce for this. So in theory, pretty simple. A load of sugar, a bit of water, and we get it cooked. And then we're going to use a little bit of this to turn it into toffee. Okay, so we're starting to go a little bit more golden now. Okay, so we're starting to get that colour we're looking for. Okay, let's try this. Whoa! When it said it was going to go crazy, I did not expect that. Whoa! All I will say is, it better be tasty, because it's going to be a pain to clean. No idea if this is the right thing to do, but I'm going to prick a few holes in my cake, and then we're going to pour the sauce on and see what happens. Okay then, let's see how it comes out. I have a feeling this might go everywhere, but let's see.